Hi, good afternoon. So, in this class, we are going to start with inequalities. So, let's start with inequalities. What do you mean by inequality? So, first of all, I will ask you what is equality. So, equality means if I say that x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, that is equality. But inequality has more than that values. Let's say, let's share my screen. So, is my screen visible? So inequality means if I'm talking about inequality, in that there are more values of that. So let's say how do I write that? X great. This means x greater than 2. Okay, so that means there are a lot of values. Let's say 2.1, 2.0001, 300. There are a lot of values that will come under that. Similarly, if I say that x less than 3, that means all the values that are less than 3, it will include 0, 0.1, negative values as well. Okay, now if I write in this way, x greater than or equal to 4, then it means, of course, greater than 4, but equal means it has 4 also. So if I represent that on a number line, how do I represent all of these? So if I want to represent this one, that means x greater than 2. So this is 2. And then there are 3, 4, and so on till infinity. Similarly, here it's negative infinity. So this is 1, 0, negative 1. And this is greater than 2. So here that 2 will not be included. So all the values which are greater than 2 will be will be the solution for that. Okay, so here whole means that 2 does not include in that case. Now x greater than 3. So if x is greater than 3, if I want to represent that, how do I represent? Then it will be here, and then we can directly plot, we can directly draw a line. Then this means x greater than 3. So here x 3 does not include. Okay, now x greater than or equal to 4. So if I say x greater than or equal to 4, then it has 4 also. So how do I represent on a number line? So in that case, it will go from 4 to infinity. So here 4 is included. Okay. So that's why that dark is there. That means 4 is also included in that solution. Okay. So I hope this was understood. Okay. So let's talk about how to solve inequality. So before we go into that, let's take equality example. Let's say if I have 4x plus 3 is equal to 2. Now you would have learned that how to solve 4x plus 3 is equal to 2. You will be subtracting 3 on a both side, right? So you'll be subtracting 3 on a both side, and then you will get 4x is equal to 2, 2 minus 3, which is negative 1. And then you will divide by 4 on a both sides. So it will give you negative 1 over 4. That's how you solve equality. Now, the same way we'll be solving inequality, but there are a lot of solutions instead of this only one solution. So let's say if I take same example, 4x plus 3 greater than 2. Okay. So I want to find the x values here. So how do I find? I will again subtract 3 on both sides. So if I subtract 3 on both sides, 4x, and then this is negative 1. And then I will divide by 4. So it is x greater than negative 1 over 4. Okay, so here it will not be answer, the solution of this inequality will not be negative 1 by 4. It will be a lot of solution, it will be like -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay. um so I hope this was understood. Okay. So yeah, that is all. In a further classes, we'll be talking about more of solving those linear inequalities, and also we'll be talking about quadratic inequality. Okay. So bye bye, see you in the next class. Thank you.